Hey guys! Have you ever asked yourself, how do I split PDF files? Well, if so, then look no further, because we've got all the answers for you in this video. Sometimes you're going to be stuck with situations where you've got a PDF document with a large number of pages, and there's no way of organizing them efficiently. This is where it makes sense to split the PDF in order to create smaller files for your own convenience. And PDF Candy's Split PDF tool is among the best in the industry for doing this. Follow along our brief tutorial as we guide you through how to split PDF files using the 4 different modes available at pdfcandy.com. To start off, you'll need to head on over to pdfcandy.com to split your PDF file. Next, you'll want to move over to the Split PDF tool, which can conveniently be found in the listed group of icons on the main page of the website. Once you've reached the Split PDF tool, you'll need to add in the PDF that you're hoping to split, which can be accomplished by either dragging and dropping the file into the browser's window or by uploading the desired document directly from your Google Drive or Dropbox account. When it comes down to how to split a PDF file at PDF Candy, there are 4 ways in particular in which this can be done. You can either separate PDF pages one by one to get an archive with single-page documents, split PDF by page ranges, extract pages from PDF and merge them as a new file, or just delete unnecessary pages. The Split into Single-Page Files mode is selected by default. All the pages of the uploaded PDF are automatically highlighted in the preview. This mode will turn your document into single-paged PDF files. Switch the split mode to Delete Selected Pages to see that the page's highlight will be removed. Select which pages you want to delete by either clicking on the page's thumbnails or entering page numbers into the relevant fields manually, at which point you see that the blue action button on the right is switched to Delete Pages, and the thumbnails of the selected pages should be highlighted in red. This mode effectively creates a new file with all of the selected pages deleted from the original PDF. Merging selected pages will highlight the thumbnails of pages in green, and the blue action button will be changed to Split PDF. The result is a brand new file that will only contain the selected pages. Splitting the PDF by page ranges will allow you to select various intervals, which will be split into new files. Now, all that's left to do is split your PDF. This can be accomplished by simply clicking the Split button. If the result contains multiple documents, then you'll need to download the file containing all of the results by clicking the green Download File button. Alternatively, you can scroll down to the page further and download each file one by one. And there you have it! With PDF Candy, splitting, editing, and adjusting PDF documents has never been easier. With this tutorial now in your back pocket, you should have no problem moving forward when it comes to PDF splitting. Plus, this exceptional platform also offers 44 other tools which can help you do a whole lot more than just split PDF files. So be sure to check out pdfcandy.com for a closer look at what we're all about. And stay tuned for more content in the near future.